everybody and welcome to Kala Mandir's live episode. As you all know, Kala Mandir is a decade-old trusted brand and we do not compromise with our quality. Let me tell you that Kala Mandir showrooms are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, and I'll also tell you the purchasing process of our saris. So two easy ways. The first way is to take a screenshot of your favorite sari or the sari code and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299, or else check the description box below for your favorite sari link. Press onto it, it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop very easily. Also get great discounts all throughout the year. So today in this live episode, I'm going to be showcasing a very beautiful set of Upada Siko saris, and which is at 20% off only for 24 hours. So let us begin with the first sari here. The one that I'm wearing, a sea green colored sari. And as you all can see, it has lovely zari buttis also all over the sari. Large floral buttis in gold and silver zari work. So it's a combination of gold and silver zari on this sari. Sari is plain and simple. You'll find minimal work of zari. Coming towards the border, have a look at this small border on the edges. And now for the pallu. Pallu is a lovely contrasting color with silver zari and gold zari work on it. Now coming towards the blouse piece of the sari, it's going to be in the same color as the pallu itself, and it has brocade work all over it. Let's check out the pricing details for this sari now. Sari code is CY684 and actual price 1500 rupees, offer price 1200 rupees only. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on and check out the beautiful collection that I have here today. I have lovely colors in pastels and other colors also, simple toned colors to match up every skin tone. So here's the next one. It's almost the same as what I am wearing. It's just a different color. So you can have a look at the sari nicely. As you see, body is filled with buttis. It's a cream colored sari with a combination of grey again. It's a different shade of grey. Edging of the sari has a very thin border covered in silver zari work. Pallu of the sari filled with zari weaving work all over it, and it is in contrasting color. Now coming towards the blouse piece of the sari, again a brocade blouse piece in contrasting color, same color as the pallu of the sari. So there you go, this is the combination. Let's check out the pricing details. So sari code is CY648, actual price 1500 rupees and offer price is 1200 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have one more color in this same pattern of floral buttis, very minimal work done on the sari, simple sari but beautiful ones. Check this out. This is the next Siko sari, green in color, leaf green color, same buttis on the entire body in combination of silver and gold zari threads. Moving towards the edging, has a thin border, silver zari work, and then comes the contrasting pallu, completely zari woven. Same goes for the blouse piece, contrasting and fully zari woven with a brocade pattern all over it. You see this pattern which is put closely, done closely, very fine and small pattern. It is called the brocade work. So it's a very beautiful pattern. Check this out, the combination. Let's have a look at the pricing details now. So sari code is CY668, our actual price is 1500 rupees and offer price is 1200 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Before moving on to the next sari here, which is going to be the same pattern, let me tell you all that free shipping and cash on delivery is available with Kala Mandir. So here's the next sari, pink in color. It's a color loved by everybody. So check out the work, same work on the entire body. Silver and gold zari combination buttis, a thin border to pair up with this sari and contrasting pallu. Completely zari woven and a brocade pattern blouse piece to pair up with this pink sari. It's common in all the saris from the same pattern. Let me show you the pricing details now. Sari code is CY662, actual price 1500 rupees and offer price is 1200 rupees only. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, we are going to switch the pattern and see some more beautiful Upada Siko sarees here, and I have a lot of patterns to show you today. So here's the next color, a lovely yellow bright colored saree, and the body as you see is plain and simple. It has no design over it. However, towards the border now, you'll find these large floral design. It's a hibiscus flower design done in silver zari weaving work, and the edging of the border, the main border of the sari, it's done in zari weaving again. Let's have a look at the pallu now. Zari woven with lines all over it, also temple design. Let's see the blouse piece. So here's the blouse piece. For a change, it has lines all over it, and it is the same design as the pallu of the sari. Have a look at the border also. So it's entirely done in silver zari threads. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY687. Actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees only. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So 3 more colors to show you in this same pattern of hibiscus flower and a plain body. Let me show you this next one. Pink colored sari again, different pattern and same plain simple body with the bottom part of the sari. So this portion will come towards the bottom near the feet, and it has this lovely design of florals done in silver zari weaving and a border here which is completely zari woven. Let's have a look at the pallu of the sari now. So it's a different pallu. Instead of floral design, there are lines all over it. And then the same pattern from the pallu goes on to the blouse piece also. Very beautiful blouse piece on this sari, which is completely filled with silver zari lines all over it. So here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY654. Actual price is 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So like I mentioned, I have few more colors in the same pattern. I'll show you the other one. A leaf green colored sari now. Same pattern. Pattern remains the same, just a different color. Check out the body and the color. Floral design on the edges and lines all over the pallu. Silver zari threads are used for the entire sari, and same goes for the blouse piece also. There you go. This is the combination of silver zari and green color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY676. Actual price 1900 rupees and offer price 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So, very beautiful collection here of Upada Siko sarees. Let me remind you all once again, it is at 20% off only for 24 hours. So, here's the next color in the same pattern of hibiscus flower towards the bottom of the saree. It's a very beautiful shade of coral, a deep coral color. And as you can see, it has the same pattern of silver zari weaving work all over the bottom of the saree. Moving towards the pallu now, there you go, lines all across the pallu in silver zari work and the same pattern on the blouse piece once again. Here's the combination. Let's have a look at the pricing now. Sari code is CY659, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, that was the last saree from that pattern. We are going to switch the pattern and see some nice floral design. So there you go. It's a leaf green colored saree. Most of the sarees that I am showing you here, the colorful ones, are all pastel colors only. So if you have a look at the body here, it has diagonal lines all over the body, which is in leaf design. Very beautiful work on the saree of diagonal lines. These are cross lines, and then moving towards the border now. So as you see, border has lines again, but it has pattern also all over it. And now for the pallu, there you go. Pallu has floral design all over it. This is all zari weaving work. The entire sari is filled with silver zari weaving work. Now time for the blouse piece. Brocade pattern on the blouse piece to go with this sari. Let's have a look at the pricing. Sari code is CY681, actual price 1900 rupees, offer price 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all our beautiful viewers here, do you know how to follow us on our social media platforms? If not, please check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting this amazing collection from Kala Mandir, simple and elegant saris, that is Upada Siko saris, which is at 20% off only for 24 hours. So let us check out the next sari. It's going to be the same pattern from what I showed you before the break. So it's a cross line, the diagonal lines pattern with leaf design all over it, and this is all done in zari weaving work. It's a grey colored sari with silver zari floral design all across the body. Coming towards the border, border is filled with floral like design in silver zari weaving, and then comes the pallu, which has floral design all over it. Single colored sari has the same color on the blouse piece also, that is grey in brocade design. Let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is CY649 and the actual price is 1900 rupees. Offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So one more color in this same pattern and then we'll see the next pattern. And it's a very beautiful color, a very light aquamarine color. It is the actual name of this shade, or as we all say it normally, sky blue color. So it's a very light shade of sky blue and same pattern all over the body. Silver zari work on the entire sari, including the border and the pallu, and a brocade pattern to go along with this sari. Entire sari is in one color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY663, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so like I mentioned, we'll change the pattern now. I have a lot of patterns to show you. Now I'll be showing you some combination saris also. So combination, I mean the color combination. Now this is a mix of peach color with navy blue. Peach is on the body with floral buttis all over. That is a combination again of silver and gold zari work. Then coming towards the border, very narrow border on this sari, navy blue in color with gold zari cross lines and zari butti work. Now for the pallu, there you go, check out the pallu, contrasting in color with mix of silver and gold zari floral design all over it. And here's the blouse piece, simple blouse piece for this sari, which is a plain bodied blouse piece with only a gold zari strip to it and a navy blue border. So here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY642, actual price 1600 rupees and offer price is 2080 rupees. I beg your pardon, 1280, 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So moving on to the next sari, I'm going to show you some more combination saris, that is of colors and the zari work also. So here's the next one. It's a leaf green colored sari with a combination of maroon. On the body you will find floral buttis in gold and silver zari work, border contrasting color with zari weaving floral design. And then comes the pallu, full floral design all over it in combination of gold and silver zari work. Now for the blouse piece, simple plain blouse piece again, same, this pattern has the same blouse piece. So here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is CY683, actual price 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So moving ahead to the next combination sari, very beautiful combination of silver and gold zari work, so you can pair it up with any sort of jewelry that you want. So here's the next one, a pink sari with navy blue combination, floral buttis on the body, contrasting border, floral design in circular patterns across the border and floral design all over the pallu and contrasting color also on the pallu. Same contrasting color goes for the blouse piece also, plain simple blouse piece with a gold zari border to it. Let's check out the pricing now. So sari code is CY642, actual price 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So that's it for that pattern, and we'll check out some more simple and beautiful saris. So here's the next pattern. This is a very beautiful shade of olive green and black. So on the body you will find olive green with copper zari work in square shaped design. This is all zari weaving work. Very beautiful pattern on the body. Border now is very narrow, has copper zari weaving and a black border. Pallu for the sari, very short pallu, it's not too long. Also it's running and navy blue in color, along with copper zari work and tassels at the bottom. So border of the sari is black, pallu of the sari is navy blue in color. Let me now show you the blouse piece. So here's the blouse piece with a black border, copper zari border and blue color, navy blue color body. Check out the combination. It's a very beautiful combination of dark colored sari. Let's see the pricing. Sari code CY685, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let me tell you all one thing, that you can go and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, that is Kala Mandir, and watch out all our videos. Check out any of the videos of any of the materials that you wish to see. If you do not find it in this live, you can definitely find it on YouTube, or else you can go to Instagram IGTV also and have a look at our live videos under the name Kala Mandir Fashions. So let's have a look at the next sari here, which is a combination of dark colors, that is indigo blue and maroon color. So on the body you will find this beautiful work of copper zari threads in square design, and then comes the border. Border has maroon color with copper zari weaving work all over it, and then comes the pallu. Beautiful pallu, magenta colored pallu. So you will see the same parsley design and floral design all over the pallu in copper zari threads, and the sari also comes along with tassels at the bottom. Now for the blouse piece, there you go. Maroon, copper zari work and a pink color, magenta colored body for this blouse piece. Very beautiful combination of blue and pink magenta. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CY686, actual price is 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have a few more colors to show you in the same pattern of square design on the body. We'll check out the next dark color here. Navy blue color, a very beautiful shade of blue, that is paired up with maroon and magenta again. So on the body you can see square design, same copper zari threads are used. Border here contrasting in color and zari woven. and a contrast zari woven pallu to pair up with this sari and tassels at the bottom. Let's see the blouse piece now. Plain blouse piece, magenta and maroon combination for this blue colored sari. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CY678, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I'm showcasing a very beautiful collection of Upada Siko saris. These saris are absolutely lightweighted and a bit sheer too. Also, these saris are at 20% off only for 24 hours. I'm going to show you the next dark color here. It's a purple colored sari, a very dark shade of purple in combination with olive green on its border and dark green on the pallu. So check out the body first. Copper zari work, minimal design on the body, copper zari weaving on the border, contrasting color as well. Same goes on the pallu, dark green color with copper zari weaving in floral design. The sari is paired up with tassels at the bottom of the pallu. And now we'll check out the blouse piece. Here you go. This is the blouse piece, dark green in color with olive green border and copper zari border too. So check this out. This is the combination. It's a very beautiful combination of purple and green. Let's see the pricing. Sari code is CY652. Actual price 1900 rupees. Offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I'm going to show you the last color in this same pattern. It's going to be a very dark color and then we'll switch the pattern. So here I have a dark grey colored sari which is in combination with maroon on the border and magenta on the pallu. Copper zari work on the entire body and the border. Then comes the pallu here. Contrasting in color, completely zari woven with tassels at the bottom. And then comes the blouse piece. A magenta colored blouse piece to pair up with this dark grey colored sari. Let's check out the pricing details of this sari now. Sari code is CY658. Actual price is 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we are changing the pattern now. We're going to see some more beautiful dark colored saris in this collection called Upada Siko saris. So there you go. This is the next one. It's a mehendi green colored sari now with copper zari floral buttis on the entire body. Then comes the border. Check out the border, purplish in color with beautiful floral design in copper zari threads. And then comes the pallu of the sari. Magenta pink in color. It's a mix of magenta or pink, and then it has full copper zari floral design all over it, paired up with tassels at the bottom of the pallu. Let me now show you the blouse piece. It's the same as the pallu of the sari, same color, plain body. Very beautiful combination. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code is CY669. Actual price is 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, let's move ahead and I'll show you 3 more colors in the same pattern. So lovely collection here of Siko saris, which is called the Upada Siko saris. Now the material of the sari is very soft and lightweighted. They're a mix of silk and cotton. That's how the word comes, Siko. So here is the next one, a teal colored sari with copper zari weaving work on the entire body, that is floral buttis and floral design on the border as well. So border also has this contrasting color of maroon and magenta on the pallu with copper zari floral design and tassels at the bottom. So let's check out the blouse piece now. There you go. This is the blouse piece for the sari. Same color as the pallu and it has a plain body with a zari border. There you go. This is the combination. Let's check out the pricing now. Sari code is CY647. Actual price is 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Let's move on to the third color from this pattern, and again let me repeat once again that free shipping and cash on delivery is available all over India. So here's the next color, a brown colored sari. This time it's a very different shade of brown. As you see, it has the same pattern in copper zari work of floral buttis. It also has the same border and pallu to it. The color is also the same compared to the previous sari. Alright, just have a look at the combination of maroon and brown, copper zari work and magenta on the pallu with full copper zari weaving and floral design. And here's the blouse piece to pair up with this sari, magenta in color again. For pricing details now, sari code is CY665, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So moving ahead to the next sari here, and it's going to be the last sari from the previous pattern, and then we'll see some more patterns. So this is a very beautiful color combination that I'm holding on to right now. That is a leaf green colored sari with a mix of maroon and magenta. Okay, so on the body, floral buttis and copper zari threads, contrasting border for the sari and contrasting pallu with zari weaving work. Also tassels at the bottom. And same contrasting color from the pallu goes onto the blouse also. So here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code CY664, actual price 1900 and offer price 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we are moving ahead to the next sari here. Before that, let me tell you something, that if you wish to check out any other collection from Kalamandir, or if you don't find your favorite sari in this live episode, you can definitely request on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, and from there on our team will get in touch with you. You may place a request for your favorite color, fabric, material or anything you wish to know from us. Alright, so let's move on to the next pattern now. So here's the next sari. It's a dark grey colored sari and it's in combination with maroon. Maroon on the border and magenta on the pallu. So let's check out the body first. It's a very dark shade of grey, almost looks like black, with square design on the body. So coming towards the border, contrasting in color, copper zari work with square shaped buttis. And then comes the pallu, which is contrasting magenta in color, filled with brocade type pattern all over it. Then comes the blouse piece. Let's see the blouse piece on this sari. Plain simple blouse piece with a border to it. So here's the combination of grey and magenta. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code is CY656, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's check out the next dark colored sari, which is again going to be a grey colored sari only. So combination green and grey. So green is on the body this time and grey is on the pallu and the border. So as you see, it has the same pattern on it. I'll show you some more colors in the same pattern. Square shaped buttis and contrasting border with square shaped buttis again, which is done in copper zari threads. Have a look at the pallu. Brocade pattern on the pallu with copper zari weaving work and contrasting color on the pallu and the blouse piece also. There you go. Here's the combination of grey and green. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code is CY651, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my lovely viewers here, please have a look at how to follow us and I will be right back.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ నవ్య స్వామి. సో ఐఎమ్ హియర్ అట్ కళామందిర్ స్టోర్స్ టుడే. నిజం చెప్పాలి అంటే కలెక్షన్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి, చాలా వైడ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ దే ఆర్ బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ. అండ్ ఇంకొక కొత్త విషయం, కళామందిర్ వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్ని మొదలు పెట్టారు. సో మీరు ఇంట్లో కూర్చుని షాపింగ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ పేజ్ కళామందిర్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody. Let me continue presenting this beautiful collection from Kalamandir, which is called the Upada Siko sarees, and it is at 20% off only for 24 hours. So let us begin with this next color, same pattern from the previous saree that I showed you before the ad. Brown colored saree, light brown colored saree with square shaped copper zari buttis and contrasting border of green color with the same design. Again, contrast zari woven pallu for this saree with brocade pattern all over it. Plain blouse piece to go with this saree, which is green in color. It's a very nice combination of green and brown. Let's check out the pricing details. Saree code is CY690, actual price is 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, let's see the next saree now. So wow, it's a very beautiful color combination also. It's a black colored saree with combination of magenta and as you see on the body, it has copper zari work in square shaped buttis, contrasting border on the saree with the same square shaped buttis. Contrast zari woven pallu for the saree along with tassels and a contrasting blouse piece same as the pallu to pair up with this black saree. It's a very beautiful combination of black and magenta. Let's check out the pricing. Saree code is CY677, actual price is 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I'm moving towards the next saree now. It's going to be the same pattern, just a different color. Brown color saree here. And it's a very beautiful color combination. Not too many people wear browns, but this one is definitely worth a try. It is in combination with grey as you see. Also it has copper zari work all over it. So check out the color combination and the copper zari work all over the body. Same as the previous saree. Border is contrasting and pallu is also contrasting with brocade pattern all over it. A grey colored blouse piece, plain blouse piece to pair up with this saree. Let's check out the pricing details now. Saree code is CY680, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we are changing the pattern now. We'll see some different pattern sarees, simple and elegant Siko sarees today. So here's the next color. It's a light baby pink colored saree with combination of grey. On the body you will find only silver zari circular buttis. Then coming towards the border, very narrow border on the saree with grey color in contrast and silver zari weaving work. Check out the pallu. Pallu has contrasting color with brocade pattern over it and a plain simple blouse piece with silver zari border to pair up with this saree. let's see the pricing details for this pattern. Sari code is CY645, actual price 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, moving on to the next color. Same pattern, different color. So color combination is again with grey and the color is yellow and grey with silver zari work all over the body in circular butties, and then comes the contrasting border, plain border along with a strip of silver zari work, and then a brocade pattern pallu in contrasting color for this sari. Let's have a look at the blouse piece now. There you go, this is the blouse piece for this sari, grey in color. Let's check out the pricing details. The sari code is CY643, actual price is 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So one more color in the same pattern, and that's a peach colored sari with grey combination. Same silver zari work on the entire body, that is of circular butties. Again contrasting border here. So border has a strip going along it, and then comes the pallu. Brocade pattern on pallu and a plain blouse piece to pair up with this sari. There you go. Let's check out the pricing now. Sari code is CY650, actual price 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So pattern change now. I'll show you some different pattern saris. So I have a lot of collection here, patterns here today from this collection. Also lovely colors also, single colored sari and multicolored saris also. So here's the next pattern for you all, and it's a beautiful grey colored sari, and if you look closely you'll find an amazing pattern of zigzag work all over the body in lines and floral design. Have a look at the border now. Border is completely filled with checks and butties. Silver zari work on the entire sari and a brocade pattern for the pallu with leaf design and parsley design on it. And here's the blouse piece in brocade pattern again for the blouse piece. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY670, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have few more colors to show you in the same pattern, and then we'll look into other patterns also. It's going to be a very beautiful trendy green colored sari here. So here's the next sari, green in color, zigzag pattern again from the previous sari in floral design and lines, silver zari work on the entire sari. Checks and butties on the border and brocade pattern on the pallu along with parsley and leaf design. Same brocade pattern on the blouse piece as well. So here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is CY666, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so the next pattern now, and before that let me tell you all that free shipping and cash on delivery is available all throughout India. So here's the next simple pattern for you. Simple body work. There is just small floral butties on the entire body, and the border here is a little heavy. It has a lot of work going on it. Look at it closely, and it has full silver zari weaving work. And then let's have a look at the pallu now for this sari. So pallu, again same pattern from the border is done on the pallu also, filled with silver zari work and a brocade work to go with this beautiful pink sari. So check it out. This is the combination, single colored sari this is, and I'll show you some more patterns. Now for the pricing, sari code CY688, actual price is 1900 rupees and the offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, I'll move on to the next color now. I haven't shown you a sky blue color in the last few patterns. So here is one sky blue colored sari, very nice pattern on this body, on the body of this sari. You'll see minimal work on the body, floral design, floral booties, and then a heavy work on the border. The same work is carried on to the pallu also, a heavy pallu on this sari. By heavy, I don't mean the weight, I mean the design. The entire pallu and the border is covered with design, and that is why I call it heavy. So here's the blouse piece for this sari. It's a brocade pattern to pair up with this simple bodied sari. Let's check out the pricing and I'll show you some more colors. Sari code is CY671, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So the last color in this pattern is going to be a beige colored sari. So there it is, same pattern, simple body, a heavy border with silver zari work, and the same heavy work on the pallu also in zari weaving, and a brocade pattern blouse piece to pair up with this sari. It's a very beautiful color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY675, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me tell you all one more thing, that you can also go to our main website and check out our products from there. That is www.kalamandir.com, and you can find more than 7,000 products there, different kind of fabrics, various types of colors and combinations, or anything that you need. Also, we give out free discounts, we give out great discounts all throughout the year. So let's check out this next sari in the next pattern now, which is a pink colored sari, and this sari has no border to it, only body design, that is this diamond shaped design which looks like a butti, and then a borderless sari this is. So we'll move on to the pallu. Pallu is completely filled with floral design in silver zari weaving work, paired up with a brocade pattern blouse piece. Simple sari with a lovely blouse piece. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CY679, actual price 1500 rupees and offer price is 1200 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Some more colors in this same pattern of diamond design and borderless sari. There you go. This is the next color, sky blue color again, same design on the body. Have a good look at it. It's a very simple and beautiful looking sari with silver zari weaving work. And then comes the pallu, beautiful pallu with silver zari weaving work all over it in floral design, and a brocade blouse piece to go with this sari. Let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is CY689, actual price is 1500 rupees, offer price is 1200 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we are moving on to the next sari now, which is going to be the same pattern and a cream colored sari. So these saris are very versatile. The color is also very versatile like that. You can pair it up with any fancy blouse that you wish to. So have a look at the color and the work on the body. It's silver zari work, borderless sari, a zari woven pallu to pair up with this sari, and brocade work blouse piece. There you go. Here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing now. Sari code is CY673, actual price 1500 rupees, offer price is 1200 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, to all my lovely viewers here, do you know how to follow us on our social media platforms? If not, please check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let's continue with the sarees that I have here for you, which is Upada Siko sarees at 20% off for 24 hours only. So let's check out this next saree in the same pattern of diamond shape design, which is done in silver zari weaving work. It's a borderless saree, very beautiful color, shade of yellow. Let's have a look at the pallu. Pallu is completely zari woven in floral design, and then brocade pattern blouse piece to pair up with this yellow saree. Let's have a look at the pricing details now. Saree code is CY672, actual price 1500 rupees and offer price is 1200 rupees only. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So next color in the same pattern, and it's going to be a grey colored saree. Extreme apologies, I said the same pattern, but we are going to change the pattern now. It's going to be a temple design pattern, alright. So have a look at this cream saree with a combination of grey. Towards the edges, the bottom part of the saree, you will find these temple design done in silver zari weaving work, a contrasting grey color border, and here's the pallu for the saree, which has diagonal cross lines and temple design again all over it. Let's see the blouse piece. Blouse piece is going to be the same as the pallu, cross line and a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Saree code is CY655, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let me show you some more colors in the same pattern of temple design. So there you go, this is the next one. A green colored saree with silver zari weaving work towards the bottom of the saree. So this portion comes towards the feet. It's silver zari weaving, temple design and contrasting border. Same green color blouse, pallu on the saree, which has cross zari lines all over it, and the blouse piece will also be in the same color, that is green, with a grey border to it and silver zari cross lines. So let's check out the pricing now. Saree code is CY653, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have 3 more colors to show you in the same temple design pattern. It's a very simple saree. Most of the body on the saree is plain only. So here's the next color, peach colored, dark peach colored saree. Same design as you see of temple design, zari weaving, contrasting border, same colored pallu with cross zari lines, and blouse piece will also be in the same color. Zari lines all over the blouse piece. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Saree code is CY657, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. 2 more colors. I'm going to show you a sky blue colored saree now. It's a very beautiful color. Also, you can definitely wear these sarees for summertime or for your office wear also. You can definitely pick out these sarees. The color is subtle and you can pair it up with any smart looking blouse piece. So, here's the next one. Temple design towards the border. The bottom end of the saree has a lot of work and then comes the contrasting border. Here's the pallu. Cross zari lines and same color. Blouse piece will also be the same as the pallu only. There you go. Here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing and I'll show you one more color. Saree code is CY667, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So the last color in this same pattern of temple design is going to be a pink colored sari. Pink and grey combination. Check out the work on the body. Color is extremely gorgeous. Contrasting border of grey color and contrast zari woven. Pallu. So pallu has the same color. By mistakenly I said contrast. Same colored pallu with zari lines all over it, and blouse piece also is in the same color. However, it has full zari lines over it and a contrasting border. So let's check out the pricing details for this sari. Sari code is CY660, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so we are moving towards the last few pieces from the shelf collection and then we'll check out the mannequin pieces. So here's the next dark color combination that I have, which is of navy blue and a bright yellow. On the body you will find floral buttis done in copper zari work. A contrast zari woven border for the sari, yellow in color, and then a contrast zari woven pallu also. Full brocade pattern. And then comes the blouse piece, which is going to be plain body with zari border and contrasting border. So here's the combination. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CY646, actual price is 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So alright, I'll show you the next sari, that is going to be the last sari from our shelf collection, and then we'll move towards the mannequin. So here's the next piece. Peach colored sari, dark peach with combination of grey. Floral buttis on the entire body, silver zari work. Contrasting grey border. And the same color pallu to pair up with this sari, which has full zari weaving work in diamond design and zari lines all over it. And now to pair up with this sari, the blouse piece is going to be brocade pattern, same color and a contrasting border. Let's check out the pricing details for this sari. Sari code is CY661, actual price 1600 rupees and offer price is 1280 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so we are done seeing all this beautiful collection of Upada Sequoia saris. I'm going to move on to the last three pieces, which is handpicked especially for you all. So let's check out this one on the mannequin, the third last piece, a beautiful pink colored sari. It's a light pink colored sari with diagonal leaf lines all over the body, done in silver zari threads. Border is filled with zari weaving work, and so is the pallu. Pallu has same color on it also. Have a look at the blouse piece now. Brocade pattern blouse piece to pair up with this beautiful pink sari. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CY682, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we're moving towards the second last piece from this beautiful collection. Here I have a fantastic color combination, very traditional color here, that is of dark red and green color. It's a color loved by everybody, and as you can see, body is slightly plain with floral buttis and copper zari threads. Contrasting border for this sari, which is green in color, and a bit of zari weaving floral design. Coming towards the pallu, contrasting green in color and completely zari woven. And to pair up with this sari, the blouse piece is going to have a plain body and a zari border. Let's check out the pricing now. Sari code is CY644, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so the last piece from this beautiful collection here of Upada Sequoia saris, I have a lovely bright yellow sari on the mannequin here. Very small floral buttis on the body, minimal work on the body, a heavy border, Lots of work on the border of the sari, which is silver zari weaving work, and the same is on the pallu of the sari also. And to pair up with this sari, the blouse piece is going to be in yellow color only with brocade pattern all over it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CY674, actual price 1900 rupees and offer price is 1520 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we are done with this amazing collection, simple elegant saris, which is called the Upada Siko saris. It is at 20% off only for 24 hours. Let me tell you about these saris. The material is very nice, lightweighted, combination of silk and cotton. And yes, I will be back with yet another collection for you all very soon and great discounts. Till then, stay tuned with us, and this is Kartika signing off.
మా ఇంట్లో ఫెస్టివల్స్కైనా శుభకార్యాలకైనా షాపింగ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ గుర్తొచ్చేది ఏంటి? కళామందిర్లో షాపింగ్ చేయాలని. మీరు కూడా నాలాగే వచ్చి కళామందిర్లో షాపింగ్ చేయండి, కొత్త అనుభూతిని పొందండి.